Oh my gosh, it's burning. And holy heck, holy balls. Don't get that in your mouth.
Whoa, 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 here we go. Yeah!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be testing out products that TikTok made me buy. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So, if you know me, you know that I'm addicted to TikTok. My husband and I both are. Yeah, there's a lot of things out there that really catches my eyes and I'm like, I gotta buy that, I gotta try it out, even though in the back of my head I know, like, okay, this product is not going to work, but me being me, I need to buy it and I need to try it out for myself. So I do have a TikTok account. I will leave that down below. My husband and I also have a TikTok account together. I will also leave that below. So if you guys want, go follow us over on TikTok. Yeah, I love TikTok. Let's get started. The first thing that I saw on TikTok are these, I don't even know what you call them. They're like these little refillable perfume containers. I found mine on Amazon. You get 4 of them of different colors and they look like this. And what you're supposed to be able to do is on the bottom here, it has like this little thing on the bottom here and you're supposed to stick it into your perfume and you pick up perfume that you want to use and then you have a little travel size. They have a little sprayer on it. I thought that this was really nice when you're traveling. Instead of bringing the big thing of perfume that you're using, you can just pick any perfume from your collection and put it in here and try it out. We're gonna try it out today and see if it works. I grabbed a couple of my perfumes so we can see if one will work. I have this Dolce one. This is the light blue. So you just take the little sprayer off and then they say that you just push it into it. It's about halfway full, so we're gonna spray it and see if it works. Oh, that went right in my mouth. Oh, that was gross. It works. I don't know how many sprays you will really get out of this, but if you're going on like a weekend vacation and you want to take some perfume with you, this would definitely work. I forgot how much these were. I will leave them linked down below. I picked them up on Amazon. So yeah, instead of going out and buying like travel size perfume, if you have a lot of perfume in your collection and you know, like I said, you don't want to bring the big one with you on vacation because it could break while traveling, these would be a nice alternative. Okay, the next 2 things that I have here are both lip products and I'm a little nervous. So I found this one on TikTok. This took forever to come in. I'm gonna be honest, I forgot about it and then it showed up one day and I was like, oh. So the before and after pictures on here, it looks a little ridiculous. We're gonna remove my lipstick that I have on right now and we're gonna try it out and see if it works. Okay, so let's try this out. You get 2 of them and unfortunately, I do not know. Oh, so one is for the day and one is for the night. And I believe the night one is a double effect plumper. So we'll try both of them and we'll see. It doesn't really have a smell. The one thing I can tell you already, it's rounded on the bottom, so you can't like set it down because it's gonna wanna go to the side, so you have to hold it. I don't like that, but let's apply it. So this is a before, and now let's apply it. Oh my gosh, it's burning. Okay. Okay, so it's definitely tingling. It's tingling right now. I have used lip plumpers before. I think I've only used the one from Too Faced, the lip injection one, and that one really does like tingle your lips. Maybe that one is a little bit stronger than this one, but as it goes on, it gets a little bit more intense. I'm not sure how long you're supposed to keep it on for, like how long it takes to do what it's supposed to do, but it's been on for about 5 minutes right now. On the side it says that there's peppermint oil in it. I can read that. Other than that, it doesn't really say too much on the box. So this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference or not. I guess I can't really see a difference, but usually when I am trying things out like that on my lips or whatever, I can't really notice a difference until I rewatch it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just keep this on, and we're going to go in with the nighttime one. I don't know if you're supposed to mix them or not, but we're going to try it. What's the worst thing that can happen? And holy heck, holy balls, it is tingling. Ooh, ooh. Oh no no, oh no no. Okay, we got to do the top. Oh gosh, that is a I feel like they're getting bigger. Maybe it's just in my head. Should I get my husband in here and ask him? Yeah, let's do that. I want you to tell me if you think my lips are any bigger.
I mean, your bottom one might look a little bit bigger, but I think that's mostly the gloss. You've got like a lot of layers of reflection.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they look bigger. I don't know.
Do they? They are burning right now.
Let me punch you in the back of the head and make the pain go
No.
away.
Okay, thank you. Whew.
Of course, babes. Anything for you.
Okay. This is what it looks like after applying both of them together. I'm not sure if you're supposed to apply them together. I'm going to take it off. They burn. It really burns. Oh my gosh. Oh, please stop burning after I take it off. Please stop burning. So what I can tell is that my lips do look a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit plumper. Like up here, it looks a little bit plumper on, oh, that's my dog, I'm sorry. In person, it looks like it's a little bit bigger, and then the bottom lip looks like it's a little bit bigger, but it burns. It's still burning. So the next thing that TikTok made me buy is this Wonder Skin lip color. I'm not sure if you guys seen this. This is where it goes on purple, and then you peel it off, and then it's like a nice pink color underneath it. I remember this as a kid. So when I saw this, I'm sorry, that's my dog. So when I saw this on TikTok, I wasn't like really amazed by it. I wasn't like, oh my gosh. Because I remember trying stuff like this when I was a kid. So I wanted to pick it up just to try it, but I'm not like too thrilled about it. You get 3 things in here. You get the lip product itself, you get the spray, and then you get like this cloth, and I forgot what the cloth is for, but we're gonna go in with it. I got mine in the shade XOXO. Oh, it's not a purple color, it's more like a blue color. So again, this is the before. Sorry, I have 2 of the dogs in here. When Chris came in, he left 2 dogs with me. Leo, no. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get the dogs out. We're gonna apply the lip product first. Where's my mirror? I thought it was a purple color, but it's actually blue. So it has a really nice, like, sweet scent to it. So this is what it looks like. I can't really talk, but we have to, I think then, let me read the instructions. Apply 2 or 3 thick coats. So it says to apply 2 or 3 coats. So we have 1. I'm gonna do 2 coats. So this is what 2 coats look like. We're gonna wait for it to dry, and then we'll spray it. Okay, so now we're gonna go and spray it with the spray. I'm gonna just hold this right here and spray it. Don't get that in your mouth. Oh my gosh, that is disgusting. Very, very disgusting. Let's start peeling it. It was really easy to peel off. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put some clear glass over the top. So this is what it looks like with a clear gloss on it. Yeah, it looks nice. I tried this twice, so this is actually my second time. My first time was on TikTok. I tried it and I did not like it because of it gave like the inside of my mouth here a really like red look, almost like you were eating, like sucking on a popsicle, that kind of look. It didn't do it this time. I'm sorry, I'm trying to check. I don't see that it did it this time. It's not bad, and it's supposed to not transfer. Let's try that. Yeah, so it's like it didn't transfer at all. It's not a bad idea. At first I didn't like it. Now it's not that bad. So that I would give it like an 8 out of 10. The last thing that I got from TikTok is this. You guys, I know you guys have seen this all over TikTok. I wanted to get it because I'm going on this whole weight loss journey, and yeah, Billy thought she needed it. So my husband is home right now, so I'm gonna have him help me with this, and then we will go try this out and see how we like it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Chris and I are gonna put this together, and then I will demonstrate it for you guys. Okay. So we got it on. I can't do it. I can't do it. Maybe I need to
Move those hips. There you go. Yeah, keep it going. No, you gotta keep it going. You can't use your hand.
How do you do it?
You don't just gyrate back and forth, you gotta swing your hips. You never done a hula hoop?
No, I'm horrible at hula hoops.
Yeah, stick that tongue out. Oh, wow.
I can't do it.
Yeah.
Everyone has TikTok.
Whoa, wow, wow, here we go.
Oh, shoot. Hold on, let me try it again.
No, quit using your hand.
I think that's how you started.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, you want me to do it without it? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. I have to. I gotta give it a like little.
You just all you're doing is going like to your front leg and back. Like you're not doing your hips in a circle.
Like this?
Yeah, you got it.
Like this.
Oh wow.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Okay. I know what I'm doing.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Here we go.
I'm actually doing it.
You're almost off to the races. What the heck are you doing?
Okay, I'm gonna.
All right, what's your review? Let's hear
I would
it.
give this an 8 out of 10 or 7 out of 10 because I don't know how to do it.
So you're gonna rate it poorly because you don't know how to do it?
Well, I guess you can. I am like, I could get a workout out of it.
Yeah.
I'm already tired.
Are you sweating?
Oh.
You sure?
Oh
Yeah.
my god, I'm doing it!
Are you doing it? You get it! Get it!
You wanna try it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you ready? Yeah. Chris is gonna try it now. Okay, go.
Yeah!
Do that again.
I don't know if I...
What do you give it?
Since I made it go around 10 times with no problems, I give it a 10 out of 10. Hey, you get this thing out.